What's up, everyone? John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at the SPY, Apple, Ulta, BABA, and then the VIX, the VXX that we used to trade today. Instead of shorting the SPY, we just did the VIX. Sometimes we change it up just to make things a little more interesting. So let's get right into the charts. 10-minute SPY, right at the open. I don't know. I have a print here, and I don't know why, but we opened right in here. Couldn't make it above the green line in the 200 MA again, like I always talk about. But again, yeah, it's been working. It's been working. But right when people start to notice that, then it's not going to work. So don't even follow that anymore. I mean, of course, there's going to be some resistance support, but you got to line it up with some other things to take a trade, especially intraday. And days like today, where Greece and all the news is coming out, you just got to be careful. Oh, the market's just closed, or my level two's just shut down. So we take the VIX, VXX, pretty much right out of the gate. We're in at 2010, right down in here. Buy it off the support from the 220 MA here, and rocket ships. We take half off at 2037, the rest off at the 50 MA, and this little bit of pivot here. Because we play the charts. You have some resistance here. You made a good chunk of change. Get out. Who cares? On to the next one, and which we were. Look at Alta. So at the same time, we're in Alta too. We're watching this thing as I have Alta as a swing trade. We're a little bit out of the money on this one, but I think we're gonna get paid soon. Anyways, same thing. Gets above the all-time high here. We take it short right at 159.78, or this yellow line. Pulls back right into the green line or the fib. We take half off at 159.15, and then kind of chops around, tries to stop everybody out, and bam. So now this is going to be a market trade. Like I always say, follow the SPY if you're going to be trading intraday. So we know the SPY was selling on these couple candles. So you got to say, okay, SPY's been going down. This has been going up in the good resistance. Got to trade that. Give it a shot. We didn't go heavy on the share size, but enough to make money. That's what we're doing this for. We're not here to watch charts all day. We're here to make money and like I say, hashtag take the money and run. Everyone laughs at that, but it's serious business. So we sell at 159.15. We sell the last half at 158.72 down in here. Because as the SPY's selling, this thing starts going. I'm thinking anywhere between these two fib levels, we're going to take the rest off, and we did. That was it. Look at that. Good choice. That's, again, so important. Everyone's like, why do you always take it off? And what if it went down? But, hey, what if it goes up? Look at that. They boom, and everybody who was holding on, who went short here, they're, oh, man, it's going. And all of a sudden it was like, trick or treat, right in your face again. This is a light equity name, so someone can come in here and manipulate this thing. So once you get the money, you just say, thank you very much. Then we go down, chop sideways, and down again. Baba. Daily. Told everyone, if it goes back and retraces down in this level, buy it. And you might be able to do a couple day long on this thing. But with China, man, I just don't trust the charts right here. I mean, that's telling me if it was any other stock or any other equity with this, I'm going to take this trade all day long. But with the China play, a little bit tougher. Because Baba, honestly, does not have any technicals down here. Nothing. No chart. It's an IPO back in here. So I have no idea what this thing's going to do. I have this trend line in here. Downsloping doesn't mean much. It'll be a little bit of support, but nothing that I'd willing to risk my capital to take a trade, put it that way. But I'll do some work on this to see if I could find other reasons to take the trade, maybe with this trend line. But we'll see, like I said. But again, we took it as a day trade. We were in Baba at 76.40. Let me go to the intraday action. We were in right at this yellow line right here. The low of the day was 76.22. So we were 18 cents off the low. Awesome. Why we took the trade? Wow, look at that. That was the low from yesterday. Hello, they're going to have resistance. And then, like I said on the chart here, if this thing gets down in this area, take this trade for a day or two. We decided to take it for a day. Just get out. So it bounces up. We take half off right here at 77.27. We take the last half off here at 77.82. We just took it and ran. Kind of chopped up. I think that was the best decision because it really didn't do much from there. So that's Baba. With China getting smashed, anything can happen. I think the FXI can go a little bit lower. We're looking at 37 or possibly 35. So we're going to wait patiently on these because these Baba, Baidu, Sina, all those Chinese ADRs, these are going to get a huge bounce eventually. And you know what? If we miss it, then we'll be shorting these things again. So say if this thing bounces, goes up into here or here or here, we'll be shorting it again up there. I don't care. Bull or bear, don't care. Let's look at the Apple trade. This one I posted on Stock Twits. Everyone's talking about how bullish Apple is. It cracked this line, people. That was a line in the sand, right there. It cracks there. We're heading right here, real quick. If we go down to there, I think let's match that up with that little pivot. We're going long, baby. Yeah, but we'll have to see how it comes in. If it flushes down tomorrow, and we still have to watch pattern and how it falls into this area. But we said that, about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, it's going down, going down. And, oh, Apple's bullish. No, not now. And then everything will be a market trade. Meaning, if the SPY goes down, the IWM goes down, the Dow goes down, the Qs go down, it's all going down. I don't care what equity is, other than some small cap piece of crap that someone's PRing for the last 3 weeks, getting suckers in to buy that one. Now that's another story. Don't buy those PR scams. Anyways, that was Apple. Let's look at Yum. Yum was a swing trade that we took. We swing off the daily chart. Took the trade back here at 93.95. Never got us, never confirmed. Came right back into here into the 20 MA. We covered half there. I believe it was 90.92 or 90.95 right in there. Little bearish pattern coming in. Sell. Trying to get it up there again and rolls over. Right in here, gap fill, we knew there was some support. So we're taking the rest off right there, right where that little line is. Right around, where is it? I don't have the numbers, but it's right around 86.64, 86.72, or 80, let's see, it's 86.74 it looks like. It's on my Twitter account. That's where I post most of my swing trades on that. I don't post everything. Sometimes it's just a pain in the butt. But I try to do videos like this, or I'm trying to, just to show you. Look, a bearish pattern there, and look, started breaking, little fake out there, and flush. And I wouldn't doubt this thing's going here. But for us, we'll take the money. If it gets down in this area, we'll look for a bounce. Again, don't care. FXI. Man. See what I'm seeing in this one, you got support there, support there, support here, support there. You got another gap here. Look what it's doing. Hit support there. That for sure I thought we'd get a little, at least a day. And when it did that, it was like, whoa, all right, hold on here. This is pretty big. And then they gapped it again and closed it at the low. Oh, I was saying 37, but I'm thinking lower now. I'm thinking more on the 34, 35 level. And then if it gets down, at least you have this pivot and this gap as support. So if you took the trade there, you have support here and a good chance for it to bounce back up and get you paid. Or it comes back into here and just bounces. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just looking at the charts. And what happens tomorrow? It gaps down, starts out down here right below and just keeps going. So, right now the Chinese stocks, I'm just kind of staying away. If I miss the bounce, I'll short it back up here somewhere. I'll play the short side then. I don't care. I don't chase here. I'm trading off the charts, and this isn't the best. This is just a falling knife at this point. So, all right, people. Well, let's go back to the SPY. And that was just some great action today. Got the weekly. We're into the 50 MA on the weekly, so that's a wild card. But I'm thinking, man, one day we're going down in here. Let me tell you, I'm going to call 167 or so. I don't know about when, but or if it's going to be a matter of when. So that's the SPY weekly. There's this, and this thing's been chopping. We're thinking down in here. Like I said, there's gaps down there. Gotta fill the gaps. So right now we're just we're down below the 200 MA. Don't let them bear trap you. Wait for another pattern. Let's see where this thing leads us. And that's about it for tonight. This is stockbookie.com. We trade on technical analysis, critical money management, and we use nothing but the charts. That's it. So with all that to say, everybody have a great night. God bless. See you on the charts.